Speedtest November, the first Friday of the month. Welcome back with the second regular puzzle, the Four Stars Sudoku, in today's newspaper on Friday November the 1st, 2024. And I've already solved one puzzle, the 3 Stars Sudoku. 2 puzzles are left, the Killer Sudoku and the 4 Star Sudoku. Well, told you, first Friday of the month I will do a speed test without comments, without instructions. By the way, in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles, 4 of them I will solve not now but in the evening. Alright, let me continue. This one will be number 9513, and before I start I always count the printed digits. This one has 24. Yeah, truly a 4 stars. And 4 stars puzzle, usually 30 minutes or more I will need for solving a 4 stars puzzle, but without comments we'll see. So let's get started. 1 minute already passed. Okay, 6 6 6 6 7 7. Let me see. 2 2 2 2. Need a 2 here. Need a 1 here, 1, need a 1, need a 1 here, 1, 1, 1, 1, okay, we have all the ones, 4, 4, 4, need a 4 here, need a 4 there, no 9 here, no 7, oh, this should be the 7. No 9 could be here, could be there. No 6. What a 5? This should be the 5. This should be the 6. 9. Need a 8. 3. 3 should be here. Come on. 7. 7, okay, 7. So we need a 7 here. We have all the 7s, 1 and a 7, okay. How about 1, 2, 3. We need a 3 here. We need an 8 here. 8. Come on. No 5. 1, 3, 7. Need a 2 here. 2. Need a 2 there. 2, 3, and 8. Come on. 3 and 8. 5. Another 2. 2. 6. Need a 6 here. This should be the 6. 6. Need a 6 there. Need a 6 here. Need a 6 together with a 2. Then we need a 4. 4. Need a 8. Need a 9. 8. 9. Come on, 6, 2, 8, 4, 9, 8, 4, 9, 8, 4, 9, 8, 4. Come on. 6. 4. Here should be the 4. Wait. We already have a 4 here. No 4. Here should be the 4. Here should be the 4. This should be the 4. So the 8 and the 9 are left. 4, 4, need a 4 here. Come on. Think. 9 should be here. 9 should be here. 8 should be here. 9, need a 9 there. 8, need a 8 here. Need a 3. 3. How about here? These two, 5 and the 4. We have a 4 here. 5, need a 5 there. Need a 2. Need a 3. 8, 2, 5. 8, 2, 5. 2, 2. Come on. 3. Need a 3 here or there. So we need a 3 here. Here can be 3. 3. 6, 3. 6, 7. Need a 8. Need a 5. 5. Need a 5. I'm stuck here. 9, 3. I need a 2 here. 2. Okay. 2. Need a 2 there. Come on. 1, 2, 3. 8, 3, and a 5. We have a 3 here. Here could be a 3. Could be a 3. 8. Need a 5. No 5 here. Could be a 5. Could be a 5. Could be an 8. Could be an 8. Could be an 8. 3, 8, 6. 3, 8, 6. 3, 8, 6. 6, 6. 8. Need a 4 here. 4. Need a 4 here. How about the 9? No 9 here. Here can be 9. This should be the 9 then. Eliminated the no. 8 and a 3. We have a 3 here. This should be the 3. This should be the 8. 6, 8. Need an 8 and a 2 here. Out of here. Cannot be an 8. We have 8 here. 4 and a 9. Need a 9 here. This should be the 4. This should be 4. 8, 5, and 2. 5, 8. Can be a 2. 9, 8, 2. 9. How about here? 9. Here should be the 9. This can be a 9 and 1. This box should be a 9. This box should be the 9. So 3, 5, and a 2. 2, 5. 9, 9. We have a 3 here. This should be the 3. Oh, we have a 3 here. This can be a 3. This can be a 3. This should be the 3. 4. This should be the 4 then. 8, 2, and then 5. 8. 5. 8, 2. 2 could be everywhere. 2 numbers left, 8 and 2. This should be the 5. No 5. No 5. This should be the 5. 8 and a 2. We have an 8 here. 8, 2. 2. Need a 2 here or there. This should be the 5 then. 2 and a 3. Yeah, 2 and a 3. No, 2 and a 3. 6 and a 2. 6, 2. 6 and a 3. 8, 8, 8 should be here. Then the 8 should be here. We have an 8 here. This should be the 8. 8, 2, 2, 2. Need a 2 there. So we have a 2 here. 2 and a 5. We have a 5 here. 5, 5. This should be the 5. 2 and a 3. We have a 3 here. 3, 2. 3, 3. This should be the 3. 8 and a 6. 6, 2, 2, 3. 11 minutes. Minus 1 minute. 10 minutes. Well, 10 minutes. But is this correct? Let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Well, we solve it again without comments, instructions, in 10 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it all by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the third and last puzzle without comments, without instructions. Speed test, the killer Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.